Okay, we're back with the CIGMAN CIGMAN laser level. This is model CM-701, also known as their 3x360 laser. Got it all charged up and ready to go. So let's talk about it briefly when it comes to the buttons here. You've got a power button, right? Then you've got a V, that's for your vertical laser line, a V1. The H is for the horizontal laser line. The other V2 is for the other vertical laser line. And then we've got those indicators there for battery indicator. And then that indicator up top is going to be for level indicator if you have it on auto level. You can see right here, there is a lock and an unlock icon. When you kick it into unlock icon, that's going to go ahead and be in self-level mode. And that's what we'll go ahead and do when we turn it on. That also turns it on. So the other thing to point out is that you have this nice little micro adjustment. And since this was such a cool little tripod, I wanted to go ahead and show you it on here. So let's go ahead and set it here. We're going to click it to auto level. So we can see there that it's auto leveled. We know it's auto leveled because if we go ahead and turn this towards you, you can see that top light that's in the middle by itself is green. And if it's green, that means it's auto leveled. If it was red, that would mean that it was not able to auto level. So the other thing we have before we go to manual mode, we can talk about the remote right now too. You've got your V button right here, and that's going to just turn off one of your lasers. So you see the one laser turn off. Okay. Then we've got your H button. Here's your horizontal. It goes bye-bye, comes back. And then your vertical 2 button turns that one off right there too. So that's going to turn off those different lasers as you go. And then this button right here is to adjust the brightness level. So you can see there you get to see it get a little bit dimmer, right? So again, if you dim it down to 50%, you're just going to get a lot more life out of it than you would if you keep it at 100%. Okay, other than that, the next mode is manual mode. So there is a couple ways to go ahead and get it to manual mode. What you're going to do, the easiest way is just go ahead and switch it over to lock. Okay, you see that that turned it off because that's another way to go ahead and turn it off. Just to turn it on in manual mode, we're just going to long press the power button. Okay, so now we're in manual mode. One thing you may notice is there is a red light in the middle there instead of a green light. So that red light up there means we're in we're in manual mode, not auto level. And after every 5 seconds, it is going to pulse like that, or every 3 seconds. So it's going to remind you that, hey, we're in manual mode. This is not, level. So that's a nice feature there as well. And of course, you can continue to use the remote in manual or in auto. So to turn it off when you're in manual mode, you're just going to go ahead and push and long press that power button. That's going to turn it off. So to turn it back on, long press power if you're in manual, or just flip it over to unlock if you want it to be an auto level. All right, so just a really cool laser, gives you lots of different options. Again, the brand is CIGMAN, CIGMAN. This is their 3x360 laser. Check it out. Thanks.